I think we're entering the easiest time in history to build a $20,000 a month AI business, and most people still don't realize what just changed. Because tools like Claude Code are completely changing the economics of building software and automations. Things that used to take teams of developers can now be built by one person in hours or days. And because of that, I think the old AI agency model is dying. The huge one-off projects, the endless custom builds, the pay us $30,000 and wait 4 months model. Businesses don't really want to wait anymore. What they actually want is someone who can continuously solve problems with AI, someone who can improve workflows, automate repetitive tasks, connect systems, and help the business move faster every single month. That's the opportunity. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how I build a $20,000 a month AI retainer business using Claude Code today. No massive team, no crazy startup funding, and honestly, you don't even need some elite engineer. Hi, quick intro if you're new here. I'm Jeff Hershey, the founder of Reviewly.ai, where we help businesses use AI to automate trust, visibility, reviews, and customer engagement. And one thing we've learned very quickly is this: AI is lowering the technical barrier, but massively increasing the opportunity for operators. So let's break this down. Let's talk about what's actually changed. A couple years ago, if you wanted to build automations or AI systems for businesses, it was painful. You needed developers, long timelines, huge budgets. I've been there, I've done that, the constant back and forth, which is why most AI agencies were charging massive one-time fee projects. It's why most AI agencies were charging massive one-time project fees, 10 grand, 20 grand, sometimes way more. But now tools like Claude Code are compressing the entire development cycle. You can now go from an idea to working automation insanely fast. And that changes where the value sits, because the value is no longer just building the thing. The real value is identifying opportunities, managing systems, optimizing workflows, improving outcomes over time. That's why I think retainers are becoming way more valuable than one-time projects. Businesses don't just want an automation anymore. They want someone in their corner who continuously can help improve the business using AI. And honestly, we're seeing the exact same shift with Reviewly too. Businesses don't just want software that asks for reviews. They want an AI-powered reputation system that continuously improves visibility, trust, customer engagement, and even how AI platforms understand their business, because reviews today aren't just social proof anymore. They're AI trust signals. Every review, every response, every keyword, it all teaches AI who your business is and whether you deserve to be recommended. And that same ongoing optimization mindset is where the entire AI agency space is heading. Here's the model I think wins over the next few years. Instead of selling giant one-time projects, you sell ongoing AI retainers, meaning businesses pay you every month to continuously improve and automate parts of their company. And the crazy part is, for most small businesses, this actually is much easier to sell because they're already paying marketing agencies, SEO companies, ad agencies, software subscriptions. So when you come in and say, hey, for $2,500 to $5K a month, I'll help automate and optimize your business using AI, that actually starts sounding pretty reasonable, especially when you can solve real problems fast. Things like mislead follow-up, appointment booking, customer support, review generation, or even CRM cleanup, onboarding workflows, internal dashboards. And this is where Claude Code shines and becomes insanely powerful. Because once you connect into a business's systems, their CRM, APIs, workflows, their software stack, Claude becomes this development engine that helps you rapidly build solutions on demand. And honestly, one of the easiest wins right now is reputation automation. Most businesses are losing customers they already earned simply because they don't consistently ask for reviews or respond to those customer reviews fast enough. That's why platforms like Reviewly work so well. AI-powered SMS follow-up, automated review requests, intelligent responses, SEO enhanced review replies. All of that compounds into more visibility and then more trust over time, which means you stop becoming the AI guy, and start becoming a growth partner for the business. And real quick, I actually put together a full AI retainer playbook for this video. It breaks down the offers I'd sell, pricing models, automation ideas, onboarding systems, and how I'd structure retainers right now using Claude Code. So if you want it, just comment playbook below and we'll send you the link. Also, I'm curious, if you could automate one thing for a business right now, what would it actually be? Would it be lead follow-up, reviews, sales, customer support? Do us a favor and drop it in the comments because we read a lot of them and it helps us know which videos to make next. Now, let's talk about the actual math behind this, because people hear 20K a month and immediately think they need hundreds of clients. You really don't. There's actually two directions you can go. Model number one, go wide. Maybe you get 10 clients paying you $2,000 per month. Totally possible. But personally, I think the better model is going deep instead of wide. 4 clients paying you $5,000 a month. That's it. And once you start building systems for those businesses, you stack ongoing fees on top. Maintenance, optimization, reporting, AI improvements, lead generation, workflow management, because AI systems are never really finished. They just improve over time. And that's exactly why retainers work so well in this new AI economy. Here's the part most people underestimate though. This business actually gets easier as you go, because once you solve a workflow for one client, you can usually reuse pieces of it for the next one. Let's say you build an AI lead follow-up system for a roofing company. Then you land another roofing company. You're not starting from zero anymore. You already understand for that specific business the workflows, the objections, the automations, the integrations, the customer journey. So now Claude Code helps you duplicate, customize, and improve much faster. That's the flywheel. And the more niche you become, the stronger that flywheel gets, which is why I think niching down is one of the smartest things you can do right now. Pick one. HVAC, roofing, dentists, med spas, realtors, whatever it is. Once you deeply understand one industry, your system starts compounding. And honestly, this is exactly what's happening in AI-powered reputation management too. Once you know how to generate better review velocity, automate customer follow-up, improve responses, and increase local trust signals for one business, those same systems transfer incredibly well to others in the same niche. That's why I keep saying the future isn't just AI tools, the future is AI operating systems built around specific business problems. And the people who understand that early are going to build very valuable businesses. So if I was starting from scratch today, what would I actually sell? I'd focus on simple, painful business problems, not flashy AI demos, not complicated software, just problems that businesses already know are costing them money. Things like missed leads or follow-ups, slow response times, bad follow-up flows, manual admin work, poor customer communication, inconsistent review generation. Those are easy conversations to have because the pain already exists. And honestly, one of the best offers right now is review automation, because every business already understands the value of Google reviews. They know reviews impact trust, conversions, rankings, and now even AI recommendations. But most businesses are terrible at consistently collecting them. That's why Reviewly has been growing so quickly. Businesses want automated SMS review requests, AI generated responses, faster engagement, better visibility, and less manual work. It's basically SEO without doing the SEO. Every review and response becomes just another trust signal for Google and now AI systems. And the beautiful part about offers like this is they're extremely sticky. Once a business starts seeing momentum, more reviews, more visibility, more leads, they don't want to turn it off, which is exactly what makes retainers so powerful. You're not selling software, you're selling ongoing business improvement. Look, I genuinely believe we're still early. Most businesses are still trying to figure out what AI even means for them, and they're years behind. And that creates a massive opportunity for people just like you who are willing to learn how to solve real business problems with these tools. Because the opportunity is not in selling AI. The opportunity is becoming the person businesses rely on to help them adapt to AI. That's the shift. And tools like Claude Code are lowering the technical barrier so fast, small teams or even solo operators can now build things that used to require entire agencies and teams, which means speed, adaptability, and execution matter more than ever. So if I were you, I wouldn't spend the next 12 months watching AI content. I'd start building, I'd start testing, I'd start solving problems, start getting real world reps, because the people who move early in markets like this usually end up with a very unfair advantage later. And again, if you want the full AI retainer playbook, comment playbook below and we'll send over the link. And if you want to learn how we're building AI systems, automation workflows, reputation engines, and scalable AI businesses in real time, join the Skool community at agencystarterkit.com. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.